To matters business, where the reopening of the newly renovated Terminal 1C at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport is slated for this month. The terminal is expected to ease international departures and improve traffic flow at the country's premier airport. Transport Principal Secretary Mohammed Daga says the comprehensive overhaul of JKIA's infrastructure is underway to bring its passenger terminal, runway, taxiway, apron and airside facilities up to global standards.
Terminal 1C was closed to the public last year to allow renovation of the decades-old terminal. Before its closure, the terminal was handling about 1.2 million departures. The reconstruction of the terminal is part of a government plan to overhaul the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport in a phased-out approach. The facility has been facing many teething challenges at the airport, such as the recurrent power blackouts and leaking roofs.
We had issues with electricity, we had issues with the leakages. We have sorted that out, especially the electricity is fully sorted.
You will notice that we have taken extensive repairs at our facility. We have restored the stable power supply at all the terminals. We have also addressed some of the challenges, infrastructure challenges we have been facing, including putting up a roof canopy from Terminal 1A all the way to Terminal 1D.
The upgrade of JKIA facilities is set to benefit not just its passengers, but also its anchor tenant, Kenya Airways.
The hub is extremely critical. Actually, without a proper hub, it is impossible for us to expand. The hub that we have here at JKIA has got constraints, particularly as we continue to expand both our frequencies and our destinations.
Once the renovations are done, the capacity of JKIA is expected to jump from the current 8 to 13 million passengers annually. Transport Principal Secretary Mohammed Daga says the reopening of Terminal 1C will help address capacity bottlenecks at JKIA.
We want a throughput of over 25 million passengers by the year 2050, and we're determined to do that by enhancing the JKIA as a premier facility.
This development coincides with the launch of Kenya Airways a 3-week Mozambique.
So we just relaunched the flight to Maputo this morning. It gives a lot of opportunity to connect Southern Africa to East Africa and onward to the rest of the world.
This is the third new passenger route for KQ this year, after Mogadishu, Somalia, and Eldoret in Uasin Gishu County. Alan Aoko, Prime Edition.